How to repair install Windows 11 with an in-place upgrade. When Windows 11 starts misbehaving, whether it's corrupted files, failed updates, or random instability, a full reinstall isn't always the best solution. Instead, you can perform a repair install, also known as an in-place upgrade. In this video, we'll walk you through two methods to perform a Windows 11 in-place upgrade. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Method 1. Repair install via Windows Update. This method reinstalls the current version of Windows 11 you already have, repairing system files while keeping your personal files and installed apps intact. Open Settings with Win+I. Go to System, Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall Now. Confirm when prompted, allow the process to run, and then click Restart Now once installation completes. Method 2. Repair install with ISO or USB media. If Windows Update isn't working properly, or you need to repair your system using a specific Windows 11 version, use installation media. Step 1. Prepare the media. If you're using an ISO file, download the Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft, then right-click and mount. If you're using a bootable USB drive, use the Media Creation tool to make a USB installer. Make sure it's 8 GB or larger. Step 2. Run the installer. Open the mounted ISO or USB drive. Double-click setup.exe to launch the installer.e. Approve the User Account Control (UAC) prompt. Click Next, accept the license terms, and let Windows check for updates. On the Ready to Install screen, make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. If not, choose Change What to Keep and select it. Click Install. As a heads up, your PC will restart multiple times as Windows reinstalls its system files. Do not interrupt the process. Final thoughts on Windows 11 repair installs. Before starting, consider creating a system image, a full backup of apps, files, and settings. If anything goes wrong, you can restore the system to its previous state. During the repair install process, Windows will create a windows.old folder to free up space that contains your previous installation. It's mainly for recovering files, not a full rollback. Once your system is stable, you can safely delete the windows.old folder to free up space. Lastly, make sure to protect your system by re-enabling or reinstalling your antivirus after the upgrade is complete. A repair install is one of the most effective ways to fix persistent Windows 11 problems without deleting your personal data. It strikes the right balance between repairing system stability and preserving your apps and settings. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to create a repair install Windows 11 with an in-place upgrade, linked in the description below.